Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna make a pizza, homemade pizza. So you are the kind of person like pizza, just stick around to the end and you will enjoy this video. Within just only 15 minutes you can create this beautiful pizza, homemade one, cheese pizza actually, with some tomatoes. Yeah, so what you need a glass of water and yeast. Put it aside and mix it. I know this yeast already, and I know this yeast does wonders. You are not sure, you just bought your yeast for like a first time, please do test it first and let it rise first before you add your flour on it. But if you know your yeast, you used it before and it's nice, you can just go ahead and just do the process right away. So what I did here, I grabbed a glass of water and put my yeast inside, mix it and grab some flour, put it inside and mix it very nicely. This is the all-purpose flour. The brown one is really nice and good. So you leave it outside for 45 minutes. Come back and come and check. When you see it is rice, mix it very nice. When you see like this one, it means it's ready and it's rice already. So what you need here, just mix it again and prepare for your cooking process now at this point. So what you really need right here, just grab it and put it there and start rolling it and prepare your baking equipment, because you're gonna bake this pizza now and it's ready. So I can recommend you to go and buy like a cheese who is not grated. Then you come and grate it at home, because it's much better and it's much more nice to come and just do it at home fresh. So what I did here, just grab that chopping board and then start rolling it on it, and then I prepared my because it was sticking in the rolling wherever this one. So when you does that, make sure that you add flour. You feel like it's too soft, but yours is not too soft. You can use oil, but mine was too soft because I made it very soft. So I add some flour to roll it much better and much nicely. And know that at this point, like, it's break. It's okay, because you are not aiming for perfect. You are aiming for something to cook and something nicely. This is our cooking lifestyle. We cook. We made delicious homemade food. Yeah, that's what we do. So you need this channel, just like and watch the video till the end. When you're done rolling it, bring it to the baking equipment and then start pressing it, spread it around. And when you're done, you're gonna grab your tomatoes, maybe anything. I go with this type because it's much more bitter and it's much more sour, not bitter. It's much sour, and it's really nice to use though. So what you do here, just spread it around. That is my son actually doing it. I was teaching him in the process to cook, because he would like to cook so much. And when I cook, he always say, "Mom, can I help you? Mom, can I help you?" So I let him try it that day. And that is his little hand right there, helping his mommy to cook. And that's really nice. He spread the ketchup around, tomatoes around. And then he's gonna sprinkle it with the cheese. We're gonna top it up with the cheese. We are not putting anything actually. It's like cheese, tomatoes, pizza that we are making. Simple and easy recipe to make, especially you're don't want to go overboard. This is perfect, and it's a perfect dinner or lunch for you. You don't need to stress yourself at all. You can just make it with simple ingredient in your house. You have cheese, which means that you win a lottery for real. So right here is my son making it actually. I'm just helping him to do it, showing him the process to do it the right way. Because our kid like to cook, but we just give them the process and tool to cook. They will cook for real. Yeah, he's even it the cheese properly, spreading it around nicely, and that's what it's doing. So far it's been looking good and looking amazing. What I love about this brown all-purpose flour, it's really soft and nice. And when you make it more soft, when you make the flour more soft, it's much more nice and much more a texture is so good. And you can see right, we bake it for 15 minutes, and then when it's come out, I let it cool down for a bit. And they already ate when I went to take a shower. When I come back, I find them already, they already start eating. So I just come to show you the finished process. But otherwise, they already went through it and eat it. Thank you so much, and have a good day. Thank you for watching.